We're going to multiply using scientific notation. We have the product 2.4 times 10 to the 5th power times 5.4 times 10 to the 16th power, and we want to write the final result in scientific notation. Well, let's just begin by multiplying 2.4 times 5.4, and then we'll also multiply 10 to the 5th power times 10 to the 16th power. Now, 2.4 times 5.4 is 12.96. And to do this multiplication, I add the exponents. So I'll have 10 to the 5 plus 16, or 10 to the 21st power. Now, if you're doing a problem like this on a test and you're eager to get on to the next question on the test, you have to keep in mind that you can't stop here because we want to write scientific notation for the answer. And that means we have to have a number between 1 and 10 times 10 raised to some power, and 12.96 is not a number between 1 and 10, so we need another step here. We need to write 12.96 in scientific notation, and when we do that we have 1.296 times 10, and then this is multiplied still times 10 to the 21st power, and now I can simplify this as 1.296, and I have 10 times 10 to the 21st power, or 10 to the 1st power, times 10 to the 21st power, and when I add those exponents, I get 10 to the 22nd power, and now we do have scientific notation for that product, and we're done.